Hi friends, today our topic is social etiquette. There are several points in our life that we have to discuss. Before that, I would just like to say you, if you have not yet like, share and subscribe my video, please do it. Now, let's start today's topic. Before starting this, I just want to ask you a question that do you know how can we live happily? No. So the reason behind that is if we will share happiness, then we will get happiness. अगर हम लोगों के साथ में happiness share करेंगे, if we will make them feel happy, then automatically we will also be happy. Now, what are the steps to be taken? How you can be happy? So your few points are there. I'll discuss one after the other. Among them, what is there? The first one is general etiquette. The first one is general etiquette. Now, as you all know, what is general? General मतलब common. ठीक है, तो कई सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हम सबको कॉमनली ध्यान में रखनी है. क्या चीजें हैं? That is value of oneself. हमारी खुद की वैल्यू करना सीखो. ठीक है, हमें अपनी खुद की वैल्यू करनी आनी चाहिए. तो हम हमारी वैल्यू कैसे करवाएंगे? The thing you have to remember that whenever you are invited to any of your friends house, ठीक है, हमें कभी भी ये जनरल एटिकेट है कि अगर हम कभी किसी के वहां जाते हैं तो how we have to behave. First of all, if we are just going for a dinner, ठीक है, ऐसे ही गेट टुगेदर किया है, ऐसे ही जस्ट बुला लिया आज, ठीक है, तो हमें उस समय ये ध्यान रखना है that we should give them a small gift. Small gift may be a bouquet of flower. Okay, it may be a book if the person is fond of that, a chocolate box, a keychain, whatever. Okay, it may be anything, but you can do that. Okay, no doubt if we are not taking the gift, it's fine. लेकिन फिर हमें क्या ध्यान रखना है कि जब हम वहां से रिटर्न हो रहे हैं, going back to our home, you can leave a thank you note. ठीक है, or otherwise you can call the person, yeah, the dinner was good, I was quite happy, or you can text them. If you're not having enough time, you can just text them. Text a thank you message. So that will give a great feeling to the person who had invited you. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गई हमारी जनरल एटिकेट के बारे में बात. क्या करना है हमें? We should go to anybody's place along with a gift. If not possible, then we can text them after returning from their home. Short. Now, what is it? The second point is social etiquette itself. Okay, and this is for the women's. What we have to do, or we can consider it etiquette towards women. Etiquette towards women. Now, what you have to do कि एक चीज होती है कॉमन चीज. Whenever we are going anywhere, okay, तो हमें क्या ध्यान में रखना है कि जब भी हम कहीं जाते हैं तो if a lady is there along with us, we should allow them to go first. ये एक जनरल बिहेवियर ही है. ठीक है, हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि कभी भी हमारे साथ में either it may be a lift, okay, it may be a corridor, it may be office, it may be restaurant, whatever, you should first open the gate for the ladies, for the women. Okay, let them enter first. It may be cabin, whatever. Okay, so we can consider that women must be given priority. They must be given priority. अब क्या करना है हमें कि अगर हम लोग किसी भी लिफ्ट में वगैरह हैं तो हमें पहले उनको एंटर होने देना है. If we are there in the restaurant, we should have them with the chair. Okay, one should have them with their chair. Okay, so all these things, we should keep all these things in our mind. So these are the points with the help of which we can consider that there are few etiquettes towards the women जो हमें लोगों औरतों के लिए ध्यान में रखने चाहिए. Now the third point, same point is there, but I just divided it. Common etiquette. What is it? Whenever you are there in a queue, okay, queue और लाइन, कभी भी किसी भी तरह की लाइन है, तो वी शुड गो एंड स्टैंड एट लास्ट, और हमें वेट करना चाहिए फॉर आवर चांस टू कम. हमें लास्ट में जाके हमारे चांस का वेट करना चाहिए. दैट इज मस्ट. वी शुड नॉट च्यू टूथपिक और एनी सच प्रोडक्ट ड्यूरिंग द पब्लिक प्लेस. पब्लिक प्लेस पे हमें कोई भी ऐसा गलत काम नहीं करना. आइदर इट मे बी टबैको, chewing gum, whatever, but we should not do that. One should not speak down or rudely to anyone who is according to you below your criteria. That may be a waiter, a porter, or a cleaning person, or anyone. Okay. Now, along with that, the fourth one is owner attitude. Now, what is there in the owner etiquette? Whenever you are the owner of a shop, अगर हम किसी भी शॉप के ओनर हैं, whatever, okay, हमारी शॉप है, तो there if a person comes, वो इंसान चाहे हमसे छोटा है, चाहे वो उसकी कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है, he is a poor person, whatever, but once he is your customer, it means he or she is your customer. इसका मतलब हमें उन्हें बहुत अच्छे से ट्रीट करना है. We should give them respect. Okay, we should give them respect. Then only they will be also interested to purchase the product from you. So that is a owner etiquette. These are the common things to be remembered in our life, so that we can be happy by giving happiness to the others. Thank you.